Dear students, in the last two classes, we learned about some of the squares, their tricks and their secrets. And today's class also, we learn some more tricks. In the last session itself, we know x square is equal to x plus y into x minus y plus y square. So this formula we are using for finding the squares of a number which is near to 10 to the power x. Near to 10 to the power x means it may be 10 or 100 or 1000. Now we are taking the number which is near to 100. Now the 98 square. The formula is x plus y into x minus y plus y square. Now 98 is very near to 100. So we are using 98 plus 2 into 98 minus 2 plus 2 square. Okay. Now 98 plus 2 is 100 multiplied by 96 plus 4. So this is very simple. 100 into 96 is 9600 plus 4. It is 9604. So if you practice, it is very easy, very simple. When you 98 plus 2 is 100 and 98 minus 2 is 96. So we are using 98 plus 2 and 98 minus 2 plus 2 square. Here it is 100 multiplied by 96. It is 9600 plus 4. It is 9604. If you practice this technique, it is very easy for us to calculate the squares of any number which is very near to 100. Now take another example, 103 square. So it is 103 minus 3 into 103 plus 3 square. It is 103 minus 3 is 100. It is 103 plus 3 is 106. 106 multiplied by 100. It is 106. 2 zeros plus 9. Then this is 10609. If you practice this, it will be very easy for us. Now the third example we will see 993 square. Now this is very near to 1000. So if you add 7, it will become 1000. So it is 993 plus 7 into 993 minus 7 multiplied by plus 7 square, because we are adding and subtracting 7 here. So 993 plus 7 is 1000 multiplied by 993 minus 7 is 986 plus 49. So this is 986, 3 zeros plus 49. So this is 986,049. This is very simple if you practice. Let us see another example which is also very near to 1000. The 1008 square. It is 1008 minus 8 multiplied by 1008 plus 8 plus 8 square. It is 1008 minus 8 is 1000 multiplied by 1016 plus 8 8 is 64. Now the answer is 1016, 3 zeros plus 64. This is 1016064. No, 200 plus 6 whole square. 200 means a square means 2 2 ja 4 means 40,000. Now 6 6 ja 36, and now 2 into 6 into 200. It will be 2400. Remember. Now the answer is 42,436. Now I am drawing a line between these two. I am rewriting here 400 0, 0, then 36 here, and 2400 here. Okay, so that we can understand this properly. So now we go to how to do this in a shortcut way. 206 whole square. So 2 2 is the 4, 6 6 is 36. Now 4 has come because when it is in a 3-digit number we are squaring means we should have at least in the answer we should have 5 digits. Okay, then in between we should have 2 space. 2 digits we have to get in between. So 2 into 2ab, 2 into 6. 2 to ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. So the answer is 42436. Again I am repeating 206 means it is a 3-digit number. When we are squaring, we have to get a 5-digit number as answer. 2 2 ja 4, 6 is 36, and so 3 digits we have got, and in between we have to get 2 more digits. And a square, b square is over. Now we have to go 2ab. 2ab means 2 into 6. 2 to the 4, 4 6 is 24. So the answer is 42 436. I think you have understood. And we see another example so that we can understand this better. Now 409 square. This is 400 plus 9 whole square. 400 means 16, 0, 0, 0, 0. Because 2 zeros, we have to got 4 zeros. Now 9 means 9 9 ja 81. Now 2 into A into B. 2 into 9. 2 9 ja 18. 18 4 ja 72. 72 0 0. So if you add 16, 72, 81, 16,000, 1,67,281. Now we are doing this in a shortcut way. 409. 4 4 ja 16, 9 9 ja 18, and in between we have to get 2 more digits. Okay, now it is 2 into 4 into 9. 2 4 ja 8, 8 9 ja 72. So the answer is we have already got 167281. I think you have understood the concept or the secret behind the shortcut way for squaring a number. How do we see another example? 825 square. Now it is 800 plus 25 square. Okay, 800 means 16 and then 4 zeros. 25 25 ja, we know it is 625. Now 2 into A into B. 2 into 25 into 800. It is 40,000. Okay, not 16. This should be 64. Okay. Now 8 8 is 64 and then 4 zeros. 25 square means 625. And then 2 into A into B means 2 into 25 into 800. 225 is 50, 50 into 800, it is 40,000. Now the answer is 25, 06, 68. We do this in a shortcut way, 825. 8 8 is 64, 25 25 is 625. and in between we should have only 2 digits, and 6 out of 625, 1 digit is already occupied by 6. Now 2 into A into B, 2 into 8 into 25. 2 is 50, 50 into 8 is 400. So now here a 400. Because if you 2 zeros were overlooked here, that's why 2 zeros were overlooking here. So after this 40,000, 4 has come to this side and zeros here. Okay, the answer is 0, 8, 0, 680625. Please practice this. It will be very easy. You have to understand the secret behind this. Another example is 911 square. It is 900 plus 11 whole square. 900 means it is 81,000. 81 plus 4 zeros. 9 9 is 81 plus 4 zeros. 11 11 is 121. Now 2 into 11 into 900. It is 19,800. So answer 21,9,928. Let us do this in a shortcut way. 911. 9 9 is 81. 11 11 is 121. Now 1 has moved here. We have only left with only 1 digit we have to write. So 2 into 9 into 11. 2 into 9 into 11, it is 198. So it is 198. 21,9,928. 8,29,921. Again I repeat. 911 square means 9 9 is 81. 11 11 is 121. And here we have left over with only 1 digit. We have to fill up. Now 2AB means 2 into 9 into 11. This is 198 because these two places, tens and hundreds, we have overlooked. So 2 9 is 18, 18 11 is 198. This 198 we have written here, so that if you add the figure, the answer will be 8,29,921. This you can verify with your calculator. So this secrets I have explained you. Understand and practice properly. You get these secrets very easily only when you practice. Speed and with accuracy is very important while doing the mathematics in competitive exams. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe, then all my future videos will be notified to you. Thank you.